Hey homeowners! Winter's chill is knocking, and it's time to prep your home for the snow and ice. Kick things off by cleaning those gutters to prevent costly ice dams and water damage. Next, disconnect all outdoor hoses and properly drain exterior spigots to safeguard against burst pipes. Take a quick look at your roof for any loose shingles that need attention before heavy snowfall. Inside, tackle those sneaky drafts around windows and doors with weather stripping or caulk to keep the warmth in and heating bills down. Don't skip that essential furnace tune-up to ensure it's running efficiently all season long, and swap out those old filters. Lastly, make sure your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are in top working order. Safety is paramount. A little proactive winterizing now means a cozy, protected home and peace of mind all winter long. Stay warm and stay safe.